I'm going to show you that you can remove this TV mount with only one tool, and that is this Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to show you how right now. Come closer. So firstly, this is the CondoMounts Advanced Steel TV mount. Right, what you do is, you see these two cables right here, these ropes. You just pull it out and remove the safety pins behind here, and then lift up this TV, and there you go. TV is out from the mount. Right. Next, what do? You just place this TV to the side, and then for this main TV unit right here, TV mount unit, you just remove these 4 screws right here. So I'm going to do it right now. There you go. So we are done removing the main TV mount from the wall. Right here you have these 4 elephant anchors. So if you want to mount another TV on the same hole, yes, you are able to do so. But if you want to remove this, it's pretty much very simple. So to remove this, you gotta use a plier like this, okay, or any other pliers. You just remove the plastic bit of the elephant anchor. Right, just press it in and then pull it out. So that is how easy it is to remove a TV from the wall mount.